Howler monkeys, genus Alouatta, are a group of New World monkeys known for their distinctive vocalizations, which can be heard for several miles through the dense forests of Central and South America. They belong to the family Attalidae, which also includes spider monkeys, woolly monkeys, and muriqui. While howler monkeys are not currently considered endangered, some species are listed as vulnerable or near threatened due to habitat destruction caused by deforestation and human encroachment. They are also affected by illegal pet trade in some regions. There are several species of howler monkeys, including the mantled howler, black howler, brown howler, and red howler, among others. Each species has its own distribution and specific characteristics. Howler monkeys' fur can range from light brown to black, with some species exhibiting more reddish or golden hues. The specific coloration can vary depending on the species and geographic location. Their faces and hands are typically hairless, often revealing dark skin. Their hands have opposable thumbs and are well adapted for grasping and manipulating objects. Howler monkeys have a robust and stocky build with a strong skeletal structure, which supports their tree-dwelling lifestyle. Their limbs are well muscled and designed for climbing and swinging from branches. One of the most distinguishing features of howler monkeys is their prehensile tail. This specialized tail is capable of grasping and holding objects, allowing them to move efficiently through the trees and giving them additional support while feeding. Male howler monkeys have an enlarged hyoid bone in their throats, which is responsible for their impressive vocalizations. This enlarged bone acts as a resonating chamber, amplifying their howls. Howler monkeys are primarily arboreal and live in social groups called troops. These troops can consist of several individuals, ranging from 10 to 20 members or even more. The troops are usually led by a dominant male, though there may be multiple males within a troop. Female howler monkeys remain in their natal group, while males may leave their birth troop once they reach maturity and join other troops. Howler monkeys are renowned for their loud and distinctive howls, which they use to communicate with each other. The howls serve various purposes, including marking territory, warning of potential threats, and keeping troop members together in dense forests. The vocalizations are essential for troop cohesion and play a crucial role in social dynamics. Troops of howler monkeys defend their territory from other troops. Vocalizations, such as roaring howls, are used to proclaim the troop's presence and ward off intruders. While they may not engage in direct physical confrontations, the vocal contests can be intense and help establish dominance and boundaries. Howler monkeys spend most of their time in the trees and are exceptionally skilled climbers. Their prehensile tails play a crucial role in their arboreal lifestyle, as they can grasp branches and objects, providing additional support while moving through the canopy. Howler monkeys engage in grooming as a social bonding activity. Grooming helps establish and reinforce relationships within the troop and is an essential aspect of their social behavior. Howler monkeys are diurnal, which means they are active during the daytime and rest at night. At dusk, they typically find a secure location in the trees to sleep, forming smaller sleeping subgroups within the larger troop. The lifespan of howler monkeys in the wild can vary depending on factors such as species, environment, and individual circumstances. On average, howler monkeys typically live for around 15 to 20 years in the wild. However, some individuals may live longer, while others may have shorter lifespans due to various factors. The majority of their diet consists of young leaves, which are easier to digest and contain more nutrients compared to mature leaves. Howler monkeys feed on a variety of tree species, and their preferences for specific leaves can vary based on availability and seasonal changes. Howler monkeys have an enlarged cecum, a specialized compartment in their digestive system that contains microorganisms. These microorganisms help break down the cellulose found in leaves through fermentation, allowing the monkeys to extract more nutrients from their fibrous diet. While leaves are their primary food source, howler monkeys may also consume other plant parts, such as fruits, flowers, seeds, and occasionally small insects. These supplementary foods provide additional nutrients and variety to their diet, especially during certain times of the year when preferred leaves are scarce. Howler monkeys obtain most of their water needs from the food they consume. The leaves they eat often contain a significant amount of water, reducing their dependency on external water sources. Howler monkeys typically have a defined breeding season, which can vary depending on the species and geographic location. Breeding seasons often coincide with periods of increased food availability, such as the rainy season when there is an abundance of fresh leaves and fruits. Female howler monkeys reach sexual maturity at around 3 to 4 years of age, while males become sexually mature slightly later, around 4 to 5 years old. However, in some cases, males may not achieve full reproductive success until they're older and have established dominance within a troop. During the breeding season, females come into estrus, which is the fertile period of their reproductive cycle. During this time, males compete for access to receptive females. Dominant males have the greatest mating opportunities within the troop, but subordinate males may also attempt to mate with females, often leading to social tensions and vocal contests. The gestation period in howler monkeys is approximately 6 months. After mating successfully, female howler monkeys carry their offspring in their womb for about half a year before giving birth. Howler monkeys usually give birth to a single offspring, although twin births can occur on rare occasions. The newborn is small and helpless, relying entirely on its mother for care and protection. After giving birth, female howler monkeys provide extensive care to their infants. They carry the young on their belly or back during the first few weeks of life and are responsible for nursing, grooming, and protecting them. Additionally, other troop members, including juveniles and adult males, may participate in caring for and interacting with the young, promoting a strong sense of family and social bonding within the troop. Howler monkeys have relatively long inter-birth intervals, meaning there is a considerable amount of time between the birth of one offspring and the next. This is due to the time-consuming and resource-intensive care required for their infants. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.